Hello and welcome to our Japanese lift training session here at Holistic Facelift Academy. This course is your getaway to mastering a beautifully refined massage method inspired by the timeless Kobido tradition, now combined with the latest in physiotherapy and myofascial relaxation. Over our training, you will explore a 5-step massage journey that naturally uplifts the face, offering a holistic alternative to more invasive treatments. You will learn techniques that range from deep relaxation and lymphatic drainage to advanced fascial lifting and the delicate art of Japanese acupressure. Join the ranks of thousands of technicians across Europe and beyond who have elevated their skills with us. Below this video, you will find all the detailed information you need to get started. We can't wait to see you in training.